Perfectly positioned within walking distance to the beach, this low maintenance unit in a boutique complex really does tick all the boxes. Let's head on in and have a look. Sprawling over one level, comprising of 3 bedrooms and 1 two-way bathroom, you're going to be so impressed by the privacy and space on offer. With loads of entertaining, my favourite feature still has to be the panoramic ocean views throughout. So guys, there you have it for unit number 4 of 24 Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. If you're looking for low maintenance living in a boutique complex, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you.